In the animal rescue world, this holiday season is called dumping season, when animals are bought as Christmas gifts and owners realize that they can't take care of them, or animals are given up because of financial troubles. At the Chelsea Bailey Animal Shelter in Butte Silverbow, Lynette Hogart said that the pandemic has caused a change of pace for adoption at the shelter.
We thought it would be difficult to get animals out, but it actually has been really nice because we're able to take more time with people and really get them the right pet.
But Hogart also said that many people in the community need help to feed their pets.
Because of COVID, I think we've had a lot of people needing extra assistance, and we do have assistance for food. If people need it, they can call our shelter and we will help them with food for their animals so that they can keep their animals in their home.
At Pintler Pets, many of these cats, dogs, and puppies are looking for good homes this winter.
But Pat Phillips said her shelter in Anaconda won't let potential adopters give their animals as just a Christmas gift.
We don't adopt out for Christmas presents and stuff like that, dogs or cats, because, you know, after Christmas it's like, oh, well, we don't want this dog or cat or whatever, or puppy, and so then they get brought to a shelter, brought back to the shelter.
Phillips said that she and her team are very careful about adoptions because they want to see the animals succeed instead of being brought back to the shelter.
So we're really, really picky who gets our animals, and some people don't like that, but I don't care. We're the advocates for the animals, and they can't speak for themselves.
In Butte, Caitlin Aguiles, MTN News.